What's up, you guys? I am back with another video. So we are going to start with the small package and work our way up, okay? These here are from other manufacturers or businesses. And okay, let's see what we got here. Now this right here is for my project that I told you that is going to be revealed later on down the line. So I'm working my way up to the reveal of what I'm doing because I'm just now starting this here business, and hopefully praying to God, and I know it's going to happen, that it really blows up and that everybody could use it in their products. Okay, so we're going to start with this here. This right here are for ropes. Okay, I have a whole lot of them. They're going to come in handy for what I'm working on. And of course, I have more nail foils. That's right. So I'm going to reveal these. All right. Here's one. All right, you know we all have bloopers, but continuing. All right, here we go. Gold, of course. And I'm going to be opening all of these, individually showing you how they look. These are designer nail foils, just to let you know. Okay, and I have these. Stickers, nail art stickers. All right, and we have these. I don't know if I showed you this, but there that is. And of course, shoe type nail stickers with the logos. Okay, set that aside. Now we're going to reveal what's in these beautiful packages. All right, I'm gonna open one at a time. Hopefully the bloopers don't get me. Okay, here we go. Starting with this one. Okay, continuing the party. I got some black stuff on my nails. Look at that, because I was messing around with some stuff. All right, and here's gold. See if I can turn it around. And of course the bloopers got me. There you go. All right, here we go. And let's see. I don't know if you can see that real good. It's brown. I love these things. Here's a black one. If you notice, I close my fists up so y'all do that. Caption. There you go. Whoop. Turn it around here so y'all can see it. It's another one. Almost the same as I shown the other, but a little, let me bring it a little closer. There we go. And, oh, this is nice. This would go with anything. Look at that. And I'm going to show you the length of these in this video as well. All right, we're opening up some more, and I'm going to reveal how long these are. All right, here we go. You know what? Let's start with the pink one. This is so pretty here. All right. Show you how it looks. Isn't that pretty? We have these. I have these in different colors. So now to reveal how long it is. Let's see. Look. That is really long, you guys. Look at that. An arm length and a half. Okay. Okay, coming back to you with the red. The camera had cut off on me. So there you go. The red. Stuck on you. All right. I'm gonna put these aside. And we're going to open up another one. More color. All right. Okay, starting with the purple. All right, I put these so y'all can see what's going on here. So here we go. That's the blue. Yellow. It's just like the pink one I showed you guys. Purple. Light blue. Great for Easter, right? Of course, we have the white. Okay, starting with the purple before it runs out. Now, all the ones that I'm showing you have the same pattern, just to let you know. So, let me just show you this here. I don't know if it's hot pink or what, but there you go. All of these are the same pattern, same color. So I'm just going to pick this up and show you the colors. Go real close. Okay. Here are the black and white ones. There you go. I know y'all can barely see the pattern, so I'm probably going to pick a few up here so I can show you. Let's see. Beautiful. Hold on. Wait a minute. Look at that. Do you know what you can do with that? You can cut them into individual pieces and put them, you know, places like, wow. All right. That's a lot. And how long they are, whoa, saving a lot of money. All right, I wanted to show you the white Nike version before my video ran out, so here we go. And with this as well, you can just cut these in different little individual pieces. All right, so that is it for this segment of unboxing, and I will see y'all next time in my 4th video of unboxing.